hesitation, vibration, then total smoke, and a $5,000 bill. There were transmission warning signs, and you're probably ignoring them right now. I'm revealing the 10 critical signs of a failing transmission so you can spot the damage before it costs you a fortune, including one specific symptom that is actually an easy $20 fix, but usually gets misdiagnosed as a $3,000 transmission rebuild. The first sign looks almost innocent: strawberry milkshake fluid. It sounds strange, but when transmission fluid turns pink and milky, it means coolant has leaked into it through a crack in the radiator's built-in cooler. That mix of coolant and fluid creates a frothy pink sludge that destroys the transmission from the inside. The clutches absorb water, lose their friction, and lead to transmission slipping. Once that happens, the system overheats fast. This disaster is so well known that mechanics call it the strawberry milkshake of death. If you ever spot pink foamy fluid on the dipstick or a brown oily mess in your coolant reservoir, act fast. How to tell if your transmission is going out often starts with fluid checks. Replace the radiator, flush both systems, and you might save it. Wait too long and you're looking at a $3,000 to $5,000 rebuild. The second sign feels like you're driving over a rumble strip on the highway. You're cruising around 40 to 50 miles per hour when the car shudders, then smooths out again. That's called torque converter shudder, a vibration that happens when the torque converter clutch slips and grabs in quick bursts instead of locking smoothly. It's caused by worn clutch material or old overheated fluid. The test is simple. If the vibration disappears when you lightly tap the brake, the torque converter is the culprit. The fix may be as easy as changing to the right fluid. But if you ignore it, debris will build up, heat will rise, and the converter will fail completely. The third sign hides in plain sight: a glowing transmission temperature light. It might say a /T oil temp or simply trans temp. When it turns on, your transmission fluid has gotten dangerously hot. For every 20 degrees above 175 degrees Fahrenheit, fluid life is cut in half. At 220 degrees, it starts to varnish. At 240 degrees, seals harden. Then at 280 degrees, it's done. Overheating burns the fluid and destroys the clutch. The moment that light appears, pull over and let the car cool, then have the fluid serviced right away. That one warning can save you thousands, especially with complex automatic transmission problems. The fourth sign is when your car suddenly loses power and refuses to shift. That's limp mode. And it's not a malfunction, it's a safety mode. When the transmission's computer detects a serious fault, it locks the car into 1 or 2 gears, so you can limp home instead of braking it completely. Drivers often think the engine is weak or the gas pedal's broken, but in reality, the transmission is protecting itself. Limp mode can be triggered by low fluid, bad sensors, or even the wrong fluid type. Keep driving hard in that condition and you'll cook the transmission. Stop, cool down, and get it scanned immediately. Often the fix is minor if you catch it early. Number 5 is one you can spot with your eyes: a pink or red puddle under the car. Your car cools the transmission fluid in the radiator. If this part breaks, the fluid leaks out, or worse, it mixes with the engine coolant. This fluid is essential for pressure and cooling. If you lose it, the system burns up in minutes. If you see a pink, oily puddle under the front of your car, don't ignore it. Low transmission fluid symptoms always need a fix right away. Replacing the small cooler might cost under $2,000. Ignoring it will cost you triple that for a new transmission. The sixth warning is delayed shifting. When you press the gas, the engine revs, but the shift is late. The car feels like it's hesitating. Inside, the transmission's parts are slipping because the fluid is low or dirty. This drops the pressure they need to grip. Your car's computer even records an error when this happens. Often, a simple fluid change or software update fixes it, but if you ignore it, those slipping parts burn out, forcing an expensive rebuild. The seventh warning is jerky takeoff. If your car suddenly jerks forward when you take your foot off the brake, that's a problem. It means the fluid pressure or the controls are wrong. Each sudden slam damages seals and mounts. The fix might be a simple fluid change or system reset, but if you keep driving with that jerking, it will quickly turn into permanent clutch damage. The eighth sign is one most people never connect to the transmission: check engine light. Your check engine light often signals a transmission problem, not an engine issue. Codes like P0700, P0730, or P0741 mean the transmission is struggling, part slipping, or pressure is too low. A cheap scanner reads these codes and tells you the problem long before you feel it. Fixing it early costs hundreds, not thousands. If you start hearing strange, bad transmission noises, scan the code immediately. The 9th sign is the most obvious: slipping gears. When you press the gas, the engine revs up, but your car barely moves. That's because the parts inside are slipping, causing you to lose power. Slipping creates heat, and that heat quickly destroys the transmission. You will often notice it more when the car is hot. Once slipping starts, it only gets worse. Stop driving immediately and check the fluid before your transmission breaks completely. And finally, a burning smell after driving. If you smell burnt oil or see smoke after a long drive, that is overheated transmission fluid. This cooked fluid stops protecting the metal parts inside. Without that protection, those parts grind each other down. This is your final warning before total transmission failure. Your transmission is fragile and one of the most expensive parts of your car. It depends entirely on clean fluid to survive. The sad truth is, most transmission deaths are slow, silent, and completely avoidable. If you pay attention to early signs like vibrations, delays, or strange smells, you can stop a total failure. Don't wait until your car refuses to move. A cheap fix now will save you thousands later. Getting timely car transmission repair is always cheaper than a replacement.